Create 3D icon flip effect like Ali Abdaal in Premiere Pro. Move the playhead to the position of the effect. With the rectangle tool, click in the preview, then hold down the Shift key and drag to create a proportional rectangle. In the Essential Graphics panel, set radius to 40 and click on these two buttons to center it horizontally and vertically. In the Effects panel, search for Drop Shadow and drag it into the rectangle. Select the rectangle and in the Effect Controls panel, set opacity to 100, direction to 180, distance to 10, and softness to 100. Now drag the foreground icon on top layer in the Essential Graphics panel. Double-click on the icon and adjust its size. Then drag the background icon in the above track and timeline and adjust its size. Now search for flip and drag the horizontal flip effect into the top layer. Select both layers, right-click on one of them, and click Nest. Search for Basic 3D and drag it into the nested sequence. Move the playhead to the start of the nest and click on the stopwatch next to swivel to create a starting keyframe. Hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key 4 times to go forward 20 frames and set swivel to 180. Now we have this animation. To smoothen the animation, select both keyframes, right-click on one of them, and add ease in and ease out to them. Now double-click on the nested sequence to open it. Select the bottom layer, and move the playhead to the start. Expand the image and click on stopwatch next to opacity to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead forward 10 frames and click on the circle button. Move the playhead 1 frame and set opacity to 0. Now select the top layer, and move the playhead to the start. Set opacity to 0 and click on stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead 9 frames forward and click on the circle button. Move the playhead 1 frame forward and set opacity to 100. And now we have it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.